Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with a broken back cover. This is simple and yet so important. So if you're the type of person that doesn't use any phone case, you want to feel the beauty of your smartphone without any interruptions on your fingertips or in your hand, and you're gonna be risking it on damage such as this. So this is a replacement of this S21 Ultra's back cover. This is made up of glass, so when you drop your S21 Ultra, it's high probability that it's gonna break. But no problem, this is gonna be a quick fix. So it's rather simple compared to our usual screen replacement, but this is also very important if you're very particular on the look of your smartphone. So this is how you remove those pesky adhesives. When you remove some parts on your smartphone that's held on by adhesive, you just roll it with a matchstick or a toothpick like what David is doing here, and that's a free pro tip for you. You're gonna make an adhesive cotton candy. Look at that. They're gonna be bundled up together, leaving a clean surface for us to use. And we're done. Just a few portions here. As you can see, the difference with the adhesive and without the adhesive. There you go. So we're gonna show you the replacement back cover. This is a replacement back cover. It's rather bare, so when you compare it with the old back cover, we have some rubber spacers or grommets around the camera lens. Each of these holes have their own rubber spacer so that the dust will not enter into the phone's lens. But David is gonna transfer them so we don't spend a lot of time looking for spare parts that fits this exact size. So right there. So it's rather simple, but this part is certainly very tedious since you're dealing with flimsy rubber spacers. Since the back cover has its own pre-applied adhesive, we're just gonna peel that off and position it, press it in, and congratulate ourselves for a job well done. Well done, David. So if you have the same issue, just visit Sydney CBD Repair Center. If we have the stocks for your back cover replacement, we'll do it right away. So this is your after and the before. Drastic changes. Thanks for joining, guys. See you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.